Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you what I have created for my final year project, that was a long range encrypted communication device. So before I start, let's imagine a scenario when there is no Wi-Fi, no internet, no mobile towers, nothing is working, not even a satellite system. Then how we are going to communicate with each other? Now, in the situation of disaster, the first thing that dies is communication. We cannot communicate in the far distance, not even with using towers, or not a satellite systems work in that time. So this is a major failure of communication that occur during the time of disaster. And none of this system is going to work when the infrastructure is destroyed. So whether it is satellite phone, walkie-talkie or mobile network, nothing is going to work when calamities or natural disaster occur, because these are the first thing that are destroyed. So let me show you the working of my device. Here the ARKNET, the device name, and this is the node second, and this is how this look. This is the inlet point where I'm going to connect the USB. This is the node 1 and this is the node second. We have two nodes that I have created for my final year project, and this is very useful during the military operations where we can connect beyond borders and a long range for creating a mesh network. And this is how the device looks like. It's come with the AES encryption, that is 128, and support 433 megahertz frequency. And here is the antenna and the inlet point. I have given two buttons. The one is SOS button and second is the up and down buttons, where I can control and send multiple messages using this OLED display. Now, first of all, let me demonstrate how this is actually going to work. Now when the SOS is pressed first, a signal going to release with the AES encrypted and message will be passed further. So this device is best when there is an emergency situations going on. In that scenario, we can use this device with the 3-kilometer ranges. Let me show you the working of the project. So here I have taken an USB and my ARKNET device. This is node second and I'm going to connect it like this, and it is active. Now you can see it shows that peer B, if you can see here, peer B is inactive, that is offline, and it is not active right now. And the name of the my Wi-Fi shows ARKNET B, which is the name of this. Now let me on the second one. Here, same method, just the inlet, and this is active. Now we have to wait for 5 to 6 seconds and it will be online. Now you can see that peer B is online. Yes, in the both you can see that both are online. So this device also show that the other node is active or not. And when I press the SOS button here, the other receive an emergency message. Same from this one, when I press SOS button, the other nodes will receive. And here I'm pressing the, okay. And also I can select from here. I have some message. In all of that I can see 5 previous message by using view inbox. And I have only one message, that was the SOS one. That was the SOS one, the only one received. Here, I press the SOS button again from the node second. So this is how the both nodes look like with inlet. We can also power it up using the normal cell or lithium battery, one more feature that I'll present here is we can also send message using Wi-Fi. So just I have to connect with ARKNET. Here I have ARKNET. I can connect with ARKNET, B ARKNET, and I have to use this. This is the dashboard I'm using. I can send custom message. For example, when I say hello, okay, hello, and it will be sent. Okay, this will show that yes, it is sent, and the message will go to the next. Okay, let me say SOS and I'll, okay. Like this. And when I say custom message, hi, with my location and send button, I have received hi in the ARKNET. I'm connected to ARKNET B. So I can send from B to A, and both Wi-Fi names as ARKNET 1 and 2. So I have created dashboard, also the buttons, up and down, OLED system, and it provide the 3 kilometer range with encrypted data, like this. And when we created such mesh network, we can communicate up to 300 kilometer range, and we can cover the whole India using this mini nodes. So if you want to develop product like this, make sure to comment if you have doubt regarding this project. So this is the ARKNET I have created for my final year computer science engineering project, and this serves as a major purpose. I have decided that for future I can go for a mini version with touch screen, and this is the dashboard. We can also ask for food or supply, clear zone, and custom message, anything with location. We can use it like this, location, and we can send. It is disconnected. Yeah, it is active again. Because it is not active right now, it shows offline, because it takes 5 to 6 seconds when the radio signals are released. This works with the radio signal. That's why I can communicate up to far distance, not like a Wi-Fi or internet. And I have AES 433 megahertz with node buttons, SOS button, and it will be send off. Thank you for watching, and if you have any doubt regarding this project, make sure to comment and follow me on Instagram as Kshatriya Education. Thank you.